Okay, so the next way to be able to get customers abroad or customers outside Ghana to be able to see your product and then reach you or contact you is by running social media ads. There are so many social media applications that you can use to run ads. We have YouTube, it's a social media application, and you can run ads through YouTube. We have Instagram, you can run ads through Instagram. We have TikTok, you can run ads through TikTok. We have Facebook, you can run ads through Facebook. We have Twitter, you can run ads through Twitter, and so many others. So let's say if you are so you have Instagram account or you have Facebook account, you can just open it and it will be logged for you. All that you have to do is to enter your Facebook account and then you run your ads. So let's say you have a post here. A post here means that anything like the one that we are seeing, this is somebody's post. So let's say this is somebody's account, this is a client account, assuming, but if this is your new account, so you need to have social media account for your business. You need to be able to have social media accounts for your business. So all these things may be posts. So you tap on it, you tap on the post and it will open and you can run ads for it. So boost posts, you can run ads for it. So social media ads, it means social media adverts. If you're on Facebook, we have something we call Meta Business Suite. So you create a Facebook account. I believe we all have Facebook accounts. You log in with your email and your password at Facebook and it will open. Your profile will be showing, and then we have Ads Manager. You can go there, or you can also go to Meta Business Suite. You can now join your Facebook and your Instagram together because it's owned by them, and you can run ads even into your WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram is owned by one owner. They also have what we call a new one called Thread, which is almost like Twitter. Okay. So these are everything about social media. If you want much more, there will be a detailed tutorial which I will also send below this, which will show you how to run social media ads into details. Okay, so I'm having a video at the bottom of this which will teach you how to run social media ads into details. So this is all for now. Okay, so this is one of the easiest way, because since Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp and Thread, it's owned by one person, you can just pay the owners of the platforms and then they will do all the work for you. So you don't need to search like we did for the Google, that you search for each country and then you search for each city, you search for distributor in each city, seller for each city, then you have to also search for stores in each city. No, this one they will just send it to those who are interested and then they'll contact you directly. But it's not easy like that, because this one you spend money. Okay, so that's all for now for social media. Thank you.